Welcome to Lesson 2, Order of Operations. Here we will use all of our exponent laws to simplify expressions while keeping in mind our order of operations, or BEDMAS. Example 1, we have to simplify and then evaluate. So I'm going to do this in two ways. First way is simplifying the brackets first. Now inside the brackets I have the product of two powers. And the rule there says I add the exponents. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now I'll apply the power rule and multiply 4 and 3 together to give me 5 to the 12. Now putting that in the calculator, I got 244,140,625. Now another way that we could do this is to apply the power of a product rule and apply the exponent to each base in the brackets. So we can write this as 5 to the 6 times 5 to the 6. Now use the product of two powers rule and add the exponents together to give us 5 to the 12. So we get the same answer either way. B, again, this can be done a couple of ways. I'm going to start by simplifying the brackets, keeping in mind that the 2 has an exponent of 1. So adding those exponents together, I get 2 to the 5, all cubed, minus 8 times negative 3 to the 6. Now I'll do the power rule and multiply 5 and 3 together. Now I'll simplify the exponents. 2 to the 15 is 32,768. And negative 3 to the 6 is 729. Now performing the multiplication before the subtraction, I get 32,768 minus 5,832. When I subtract them, I got 26,936. Now for C, I'll start by simplifying the brackets. Now inside the brackets, I can use the quotient rule, which says I subtract the exponents. So this becomes negative 3 to the power of 2. Now I'll use the power of a power rule and multiply 2 times 2 together to give me negative 3 to the 4. Now working at my exponents, 9 to the power of 0 is 1, and negative 3 to the power of 4 is positive 81. Now multiplying first, 6 times 1 is 6, and then adding that to 81 gives me 87.